What's up YouTube? Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one here is a 15-shot 500-gram cake called Fat Cat. It's off the Black Cat 2018 brand new lineup for this year. Cool little design actually. Let's go ahead and see. Here we go. Okay. 15 shots, vertical firing, and you guys can read the fire effect and the performance description if you like. And it's actually a really big round cake. Let me slide it down. Let me back it up. Oh shit. Anyways, it's actually pretty big, rounded up. So I'm gonna put it back. All right, let's go light it off and let me know what you guys think. Fat Cat.
Yeah.